Hi, in this lesson, let's discuss the topics that we have learnt till now in the audiences. Okay, so I'm going into the Google Ads. So, first things first. So, what are the audiences or who are the audiences? So, audiences are the people like you and me, and every business will be having a set of audiences and a unique audiences. Okay, so we need to identify who are our audiences for the client. Okay, and for adding the audiences, so you need to go for the audience level here are the audiences. You can give the audiences. Okay, so show table, click on more, view detailed report. So here you can add the audiences. Okay, so click on this edit audience button, campaign, select the audience. So this time we go for the second campaign. So as I told you, there are two options, right? Targeting and observation. So targeting is for uh, in order to show ads only to the audiences that you have added in this uh, list. Okay, so when you select targeting, so ads will be shown only to the users that you add here. Okay, so for other users ads won't be shown. So and next is the observation setting. So when you select observation, so ads will be shown to the all users irrespective of who you add here. Okay, so I'm selecting the observation only, and here I'm selecting like banking, finance. So you can narrow them down, okay, based on your requirement. You see here, you can narrow them here, okay, and save. This is how you can add the audiences. So after adding the audiences, you can give the bid adjustment based on the performance. Okay, based on the performance, if you are feeling like this any particular segment is performing well, you can give the audiences. I mean, you can give the bid adjustment. So when giving the bid adjustment, we can either increase the bid adjustment or decrease the bid adjustment. So for increasing the bid adjustment, we can only give up to 900%. Okay, we cannot give more than 900%, right? So for decreasing also, we can give up to 90%. You can give up to 90%. You cannot give more than 90%. Okay. So likewise, you can play with the bid adjustments for optimization. So if you feel like you don't want to show ads to a particular set of audiences, you can exclude those audiences. Okay. So for it, so go to audiences here and clicking. So here at the exclusions, you see here you can add the exclusion list so that ads won't be shown to the that particular set of audiences. So my suggestion is to you. So if you don't want to show ads to any particular set of audiences, I would suggest you to give the bid adjustment to minus 90%. Okay, so try to minimize excluding the audiences. Okay, so only exclude those audiences if you are very confident. Otherwise, I suggest you to give minus 90% bid adjustment. Okay, so that very less number of ads will be shown to them. Okay, and so here these are the few things that you should remember. And below, if you see, we have demographics. We can also target based on the age. Okay, here based on the age you can target, and based on the gender you can target, based on the household income you can target. And if you feel like any of these segments is working good to you, you can give the bid adjustments. Or if you feel like you don't want to target this particular set of audiences, you can simply come here and exclude them. Okay, and so these are the kind of audiences that we can target here. Okay, and in the edit audience segment campaigns, you see, so not this one. Okay, let's take this only. Okay, this one. You see here in the browse we can add different audiences. We have detailed demographics based on the parental status, marital status, ownership, employment. Okay, based on the requirement you can choose those options. Affinity audiences, in market audiences, these are the remarketing audiences. You can add these audiences as well here. Okay, so combined segments, we can create right combined segments in the audience manager, so we can also add these here. Okay, so like this you can add the audiences for the search campaigns. And let's go for the data manager. So not for the data manager, it is the audience manager. So here, this is the your data segments. That means these are here, you will have the audience data of the people who have interacted with your business. Okay. So click on the create button. So you can create the website visitors who have interacted with your website. So if you have any app, you can create the users based on the app. And if you have YouTube channel, you can create the users based on the YouTube channel. This is the customer match list who have signed up with your business. Okay. And this is the analytics. You can import the audiences from GA4 into Google Ads so that you can target them here. Okay. And this is the custom combination. So this is custom combination means you can combine these remarketing list audiences according to your need. Okay. And this lead form segment is, so if you remember in the ad extensions class, we have added lead form extension, right? So in the lead form extensions also, people used to has to give their email address, right? So with that email address, Google can target those audiences here, okay, in the lead form segment. It depends, okay, based on the audience, based on the email or based on the user data you are getting, okay. And next is the audiences. Here, if you observe, you can combine these segments, okay. You can combine different segments and you can target this segment, okay. This is like grouping them, that's it, okay. There are no any and or conditions here. This is just grouping all the audiences at one place as per the requirement, okay. So at the left side you can also see the estimates, okay. Let's keep this as uh, new audiences, okay, or keep them as um, live news audiences, like, okay. So here combine, you can add custom segments if there are any available to your business. So let's add them, okay. Let's see what will be the estimates here, okay. Okay. And here, let's say I'm looking for this finance. See, this is the insights. You can also see the insights here. So you can also select the location, India, like this, okay. And if you want, you can also select your data segments. So your data means people who have visited your data. So in the combined segments, if you remember, I have told you and right. So where we will be dealing with the people should be present in all the conditions, but this is different, okay. Here this is group. Here this segment, this group will be having the audiences from here, from here, from here. There are no any conditions. We are just grouping them here. That's it, okay. Don't get confused, right? So based on the details, interest and demographics, based on this also we can add audiences. Let's say in the in market I wanted to target these people, okay. So let's see. So let's increase this, okay. And like this, okay. Like this you can group them, all the audiences. If you want, you can exclude any of the audiences here, okay. And in the demographics, if you want, you can optimize, or you can select what kind of audiences you want to target here, okay. So and click on save. So you can use these in the PMAX campaigns and demand gen campaigns. These cannot be used in the search campaign, okay, that you have created here. And next is the custom segments. So here we can create audiences based on the app, based on the website, or based on the interest, that is the search terms or search interest of the people, okay, and target them in the display, demand gen, and YouTube campaigns, okay. And next is the combined segments. Here we can combine the different audiences based on the and or condition, so that they have to the people has to weigh all the conditions, then only we can target such kind of people, okay. And next is the your data insights. So here as we don't have much data in this uh, account, so we are not able to see the data. Here we can view few of the data, I mean few of the insights about our audiences, okay. So about our remarketing audiences. So I will show you if I get any data in this account in the next coming days, okay. And next is the data sources. Here you can link different data sources, okay. So I have told you, right, in order to create your data segments, or in order to create this website visitors, we need to have Google tag in the each and every page of our website, right. So this is one. Okay. And if you are wanted to link your YouTube channel, you can link it from here. Okay. Or if you want to link app, you can link it from here. Like this, you can link your sources. So this is something that you should be aware of all the settings in the audience manager. Okay. So similarly, in the editor also, so we have seen how to add audiences, right? So in order to, if you want to add audiences, go to audiences here, follow this format. Okay. So I have told you, right, the best strategy is to add all the audiences for one campaign and download them into the editor and copy those audiences and paste in the other campaigns. Or so again, it is the one strategy that I will be following for the accounts, because when the audiences are added in the observation mode, there won't be any performance impact. Okay. The audience data that you see in the engine or anywhere else, uh, with that audience performance data, you can decide. Okay, you can give bid adjustments, or if you are feeling like this is the worst performing audience type, you can exclude them. Okay, that is the reason why I am suggesting you to add all the audiences. So unless you are targeting the audiences in the targeting mode, so then you need not to add all the audiences, because when you add the audiences in the targeting mode, only those audiences will see the ads. Okay, you are getting the differences, right? So I hope you have understood this lesson about the audience manager. So, and how to build these audiences and how to add audiences to the different campaigns, and how to observe the uh, data, and how we can give bid adjustments, all those things. So I again suggest you to go ahead and watch these lessons again, so that you will be very good in audiences. So we will meet in the next lesson.